Welcome back to my channel. Way to MARITIME guys once again. Hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming video. So in this video we'll talk regarding 10 things which can make seafarers happy on board. Okay, so why happiness is important? Happiness is important because you are away from your family, first thing. Second thing, life is very hectic, no proper schedule, no proper routine. You have to be very flexible with your routine. Okay, so especially nowadays there is no shore leave. Most of the company will not allow to get out from the ship because of this COVID situation. Because of that, mental state is affecting hugely. So there should be minimum facilities or minimum recreational facilities will be there for all the seafarers on board. Okay, not only for this situation, for whole the throughout the life, even it should be improved. Okay, so 10 points I have noted down one by one. I'll tell and discuss over that. Okay, first thing, internet, very important, very important. What I can say, basically some of the companies will not provide internet free for their crew. Okay, so that is, I don't know why like that. You can buy, but why you should spend from your salary? I'm talking about management companies. Basically ownership company will not do that, this kind of things. They will provide you a monthly internet. Okay, so company has the responsibility to give you the internet on board, satellite internet. Apart from that, you can always carry SIM cards. Already I have posted on video regarding the SIM cards, that which SIM card I used to use on board, so you can watch the video. Now second thing is satellite telephone, very important. During emergencies also it is very important. So I think in my vessel it was like $40 per card. I think 1 hour you can talk to your families. Okay, so one satellite card you should at least keep it in your hand. There is no validity, like you just go to on board, just buy one satellite card, keep it there until unless it is necessary, don't use. And definitely before sign up, if you want to use, if you want to kill the times, then you can do it. So satellite telephone is very important. Now third, I have mentioned recreational rooms, very important. Especially new ships, you will find lot of things. Even though movie theaters you will find on board, all the chairs are like movie theaters, and in front of you there will be projectors and all, so that is nice. So recreational room, I have already made one video regarding the recreational room, so I will not discuss there briefly, but still televisions are there, playstations are there, lot of indoor games like your table tennis and all, and apart from that karaoke will be there and gymnasium will be there. So these are the recreation facilities. Fourth is parties, very important to flush out your all the hecticness, your tiredness in one day, in a week. So Saturday usually the party day on board. So Saturday work is less. Obviously if everything goes same, but little bit less, especially day work like half day, so like that. So is to do party on board. But still I would like to suggest one thing: if you consume alcohol, definitely follow the alcohol policy of your company. Do not get drunk beyond that. And for deck officers who are responsible for the watches, please maintain that thing. Sleep, very important. Whenever you get time, obviously you invest your time to talk with your family, your own entertainment and all, but make sure your sleep should not be compromised. Never be compromised. That is most important thing, because if you are not fresh, you cannot carry out navigational duties. As a deck officer, I am especially telling. Okay, even the engineers also, if you cannot think, sleep is required to think, to take decisions. It will help you if you get good sleep. Sixth is appreciation for good work. This will goes to the master and chief officers, top 4 management level officer, because they are the ones who can appreciate you. So as a junior officer, you should think that I have to work hard, and if you get appreciation, it will boost up your morale and you will work more harder for him. Okay, Bonuses and perks, very important, especially in this situation. Certain bonus, perks, then your crew facilities, these things should be taken into consideration. As a ship owner or ship management company, the company should take care of this. Some bonuses, tips, gifts, this should be there. Okay. Timely sign up and shorter contracts, yeah, very important. Shorter contract, I will not with that, because as a junior officer 6 months is enough, because as a junior officer you will be like till second officer will be like 34, 35, 33, like that. As a second officer nowadays I'm talking about, previously just a man with 29 years used to be a captain, so that was different thing. But now situation changes, so 32 years, 33 years, you can do it 6 months I believe. Afterwards, so you can chief officer and captain, then 4 months. So contract period is okay, I don't think that shorter contracts is required, but timely sign up is most important thing, because there is a mindset that I am going to ship or see whatever for next 6 months or 7 months, whatever as per your contract. But if it extends, very difficult to stay calm and concentrate on your work. A day off, very important. A day off means not I'm talking about Sunday, but Sunday definitely day off for crew, but officers are, you have to do it. But suddenly, like Wednesday or maybe Thursday, chief officer call a day off, sometimes happens, so that gives moral boost up and gives some time to again boost your energy and all, re-energize. So this can be done. And another, last but not the least, that is the good food, very important. Okay, there is a phrase called the way to man's heart is through his stomach, very good phrase. So that food department depends on to the master and chief cook. So if you get a good chief cook, you know, I don't know, you know or don't know, but on board chief cook known as the mother, because he used to feed all the crews. Okay, so it is very important to get good foods. Depend on the company also, that what is the money they have given for the food. So that is the thing. So these are the 10 points I would like to tell you, that these are the basic rights for the seafarer. Another thing is good environmental working environment is very necessary. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like, please do not forget to like, subscribe the channel, and do not miss many other videos which I have made. So go back and watch those videos also. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.